I'm back in Japan.
एंड अगर जापान में है तो फिर एनिमे गेम्स एंड फिगरीन्स का तो शॉपिंग करना ही पड़ेगा.
That means finding the rarest manga that you can only find in Japan, tons of anime merch, and also a Shenron figurine that I've been searching for over a year. Even in my last Japan trip, I wasn't able to buy a Shenron figurine if you watched my previous anime shopping video. So let's get right into it and go into the heart of Tokyo, the base of Tokyo Skytree, जहाँ पे एक स्टूडियो गिबली का शॉप है.
Okay, so we're at Tokyo Skytree. And Tokyo Skytree के नीचे there's a mall which is it's called Tokyo Skytree City, and there are several shops there which sell insane anime goods. There's a Jump shop there जिसमें सब Shonen Jump का stuff है, और your Naruto, Dragon Ball. There's most impressively a Studio Ghibli store down there जहाँ पे हम लोग अभी जाने वाले हैं, and a few others as well, including the Pokemon Center जो मैं बाकी वीडियोस में कवर किया, so we won't be covering that today. And here we are, the Studio Ghibli shop at the base of Tokyo Skytree. Let's just quickly walk in. They have the newest movie ka stuff, Boy and the Heron. A lot of people were confused by this movie, so was I, but I really enjoyed it. I think 2 या 3 बार रिवॉच करने के बाद मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत थीम समझ गया. And they have some really nice Totoro statues as well. In general, it's gorgeous display. They also have Studio Ghibli playing cards. This is the Spirited Away one. I have this Howl's Moving Castle. Uno bhi hai Studio Ghibli wala. This is my favorite section here because Howl's Moving Castle is also my favorite Studio Ghibli movie. Oof. They even have Calcifer inside. यार ये ले सकता है actually, but रखूंगा कहाँ? Fucking gorgeous. Yeah, this one moves also. これはボタンはどこですか？
ボタン。
はいはいはい。
入り口なんです。
ああ。すごい。It's actually moving like the movie. मैं 2-3 बार आया हूँ Japan and I've seen this every time and I thought कि ये लूँगा मैं. And honestly, it's not that much more expensive than a like high-end Pokemon card, but yeah, I just don't know where to keep this. And Calcifer bhi under. This is crazy. Have you seen Howl's Moving Castle? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. I just found something I really like. It's art book of the new Ghibli movie, Boy and the Heron. So, ये sample है उसका. And I don't know if you know, but in Japan, like manga and pretty much all books are read the other way around. So this shows concept art of the movie. If you've seen the movie, you'll recognize some of these scenes. Now is it worth $1,000? Probably not. But ये छुट्टी पे जाके पूरा ऐसे perception ही ये आता है. That being said, I really like it. And we come to the Ghibli store. And figurines तो मैं ले नहीं रहा और because जगह ही नहीं है घर पे. So might as well get something that I can actually open and look at once in a while. Allow me to introduce you to the real money hole that you experience when you come to Japan. Capsule machines. 2 चीज़ें जो सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च करते हैं जापान में एक एवरेज एनिमे फैन के लिए. One is crane games, but those are like you never win anything anyways. These ones are more dangerous because you always get something. Eggman Luffy. And now you twist. बहुत बढ़िया. ये घर जाके अनबॉक्स करूंगा मैं. You'll get to see how this looks at the end of the video. Also, I'll be opening a ton of other capsule machines throughout this video, and I'll give away some of this to a random member in the audience. Comment के हिसाब से. Okay, and here we are at the Shonen Jump shop. यहाँ पे सब जितने भी Shonen Jump जो मांगा है, which is your Dragon Ball, Naruto, One Piece का magazine, उसके merch है, and this manga Kagurabachi. Just remember this, मैं अभी बता रहा हूँ तुम्हें, is the next big thing. It's going to be bigger than Jujutsu Kaisen. ये बहुत crazy होने वाला है. इसका manga unbelievable है. The paneling, the fights, and once the anime releases now, I don't know who's doing the anime. I hope it's Mappa. But once the anime releases, everyone will be talking about it. तो अभी भी time है. अभी पढ़ना शुरू कर लो. It's just too good. बाकी तो they have a bunch of pins and stuff here. Sakamoto Days. Here they have Kagurabachi stuff. यार 350-400 रुपये थोड़ा ज़्यादा crazy नहीं है क्या? Maybe I'll skip this one. This is my favorite wall. It's all waterproof stickers. तुमने मेरे पुराने वीडियोस में देखा रहेगा कि ये काफ़ी है मेरे पास. I collect these. I never use them. I just collect them and keep. B-side level करके एक brand है उनका. Which one should I get? I think Demon Slayer का कुछ लेते हैं. I don't have any Demon Slayer stickers. I think let's take Tanjiro का ले लेते हैं एक. Kokushibo नहीं है ना. One Piece के काफ़ी है मेरे पास. I don't mind getting Gyome also. Maybe Gyu. या Zenitsu ले ले. Let's go with Zenitsu. Yeah, for now I think these are good enough. Dragon Ball के तो बहुत है मेरे पास. Not that interested in Kaiju number 8 or Dandadan. My Hero Academia maybe. One Piece में Gear 5 है क्या मेरे पास? I think I have Gear 5. I think for now these three are good. Let's. If you come here, we have to pick up a copy of Shonen Jump. और पुराने volumes भी हैं इनके पास. I'm wondering, so there's one specific Shonen Jump volume I'm looking for, which has all the characters from Shonen Jump with Pokemon on them. Like each character has their own Pokemon. तो वो ढूंढ रहा हूँ मैं. वो इधर नहीं होगा. I think it's sold out everywhere. They're selling it for like double, triple the price in other shops. So if I can find that, I'll probably pick it up. But yeah, एक Shonen Jump तो उठा सकता हूँ मैं. I just realized something. यहाँ पे Naruto का बहुत ज़्यादा कम merch है compared to before. I had come here 2-3 years ago. And Naruto was like maybe the 3rd, 4th most. ये तभी भी Naruto बंद ही हो गया था. But it was still the 3rd, 4th most represented one. अब तो बहुत ही कम हो गया Naruto. It's actually काफ़ी sad रहा सोच के मैं. This is Jujutsu Kaisen. हाँ यार, like One Piece तो eternal है. One Piece और Dragon Ball तो कभी कम नहीं होगा. But बाकी तो काफ़ी कम हो गए. It's quite sad.
The next day I headed to Shibuya, which as you know is probably the busiest spot in Tokyo. But उसके एक building में there are about 4 or 5 massive anime shops. There's also the Pokemon Center there, but that's for another video. मेरे Pokemon cards वाला. But there's also a Nintendo shop there. There's a Capcom shop there. I think there's even a Shinchan shop there. So let's just check it out.
And here we go. Nintendo का store सबसे पहले. ये store तो honestly मैंने almost पूरा खाली कर दिया है. So I'm not going to spend too much time here. Whatever I had to buy, I have bought here in the last 3 or 4 trips. But ये है तो बहुत ही cool. Switch 2 I already have, वरना I would totally get a Switch 2. Games also I have Mario Kart, I have Donkey Kong. Gorgeous. Animal Crossing का भी merch है. I have what I want. Zelda के सब notebooks हैं मेरे पास. This hoodie is nice, but I don't really need it. बाकी stuffed toys तो bag में fit होंगे नहीं. This is actually cool. ये तो बैग में और मैं लग गई कभी स्टफ तो इतना. पाइप भी कूल है. फाइल फोल्डर्स. They have some nice stuff. I won't lie. Like this, when the first time I came to Japan, I was more excited for the Nintendo shop even more than the Pokemon Center. Oh, stickers. Actually, not bad. This I can consider. But we have very less time, and I have to cover at least 3 more stores here. So even if I'm buying that, I'll come back some other time and buy it. And this is the Nintendo Switch 2 section. किसी ने तो निंटेंडो को आइडिया दिया कि तुम 10,000 रुपये का अलार्म क्लॉक बेच सकते हो, तो दे एक्चुअली आर सेलिंग अ 10,000 रुपये अलार्म क्लॉक. So you can buy this if you're insane enough to buy it. Yeah. Switch 2, Super Mario Galaxy. ये गेम मैं खरीदने वाला. I'm going to buy this tomorrow. I'm going to Akihabara, so I'll probably pick this up tomorrow. And Amiibos. This is fucking sick. I already have a couple of Amiibos at home, so I'm not trying to become an addict to these as well. But this wall of Amiibos is insane. You know, maybe if you have time, I'll come back and pick this up here only. If not, then Akihabara tomorrow. Godzilla का भी store है इधर with full lighting effects. Not much to see here. They have some cool Godzilla merch, but the really cool one is this. Sega. It just opened like maybe a month ago, and I'm not a big Sonic fan, but I love Persona. So यहाँ पे अपना सब Sonic का merch है. I genuinely have very little to no interest in. T-shirt quality is not bad. Print भी अच्छा है, but I'm not a Sega kid. I'm a Nintendo fan, so I won't get a Sega logo T-shirt. Oh, Persona 3. This is the game that got me into like 100-hour turn-based RPG. Like of course Pokemon में खेला था, but जब Persona 3 Portable मैंने खेला ना PSP पे, पागल हो गया मैं. Okay, these are really cool. Persona का तो कुछ merch लेना पड़ेगा. अभी यहाँ तक आए तो we have to get some Persona merch. They have Persona 5 Royal का merch here. I think they've classified it by Persona 5 and Persona 3. Persona 4 तो कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. Metaphor ReFantazio है उधर. It's a game I still have to play. Shin Megami Tensei 5. ये भी गेम था मेरे पास, खेला नहीं कभी. Like a Dragon, or in English it's called Yakuza. In Japan you can't call it that. And then a bunch of Sonic. ठीक है चलो, मैं थोड़ा Persona merch खरीद रहा हूँ. So I'll let you know what I've got. ये ऐसे Persona 3 का Evoker बोलते हैं. It's not really a gun. It's supposed to be empty. It just summons your persona. ये भी बहुत cool है, but ये अगर मैं लेके गया फ्लाइट पे तो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा. So I probably can't buy this. Mug maybe. I got this very nice sticker sheet. So this I'm picking up. Oh, they also have a. This is really cool. They have a Sega. ये अभी देखा मैंने. On the floor. So that's nice. Yeah, I think I'll get the sticker sheet and maybe I'll get a file folder of Persona 3 if that's available. There's also a Shinchan pop-up store. यहाँ ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं स्पेंड करूँगा मैं. Actually, maybe we can get some small cute thing. ये actually काफी cool है. No, let's not get distracted. Okay, मुझे नहीं लेना था, but मुझे बचपन की याद आ गई इसकी वजह से. Shinchan के episodes के, so I had to get this. This is just too cute. I have no self-control, so I bought it. We are back in Akihabara again. It's the second time I'm here for this trip. And last time जब मैं आया था जापान, ठीक है, मेरे को Shenron का figurine चाहिए था, Dragon Ball Z का. I wasn't able to find a good one. This trip I have to find it. So आज के goals बहुत simple है. I want to find some old Shonen Jump magazine, the one with Luffy and Pikachu and like Pokemon and those characters side by side. अगर वो मिला तो बढ़िया रहेगा. But that's a bonus. Main thing is Shenron figurine. I want to get a good case for my Nintendo Switch 2. And I want to find some थोड़ा obscure anime का merch. देखो क्या है ना, Dragon Ball, Naruto, Jujutsu Kaisen, ये सब का merch तो इंडिया में भी मिलता है. But there are a lot more niche anime which I love just as much, जिनका नहीं मिलता है. Even something like Full Metal Alchemist, which is not really niche, but time हो गया है निकल के. Akihabara में उसका बहुत merch है, but you don't really find much in India. So I'm hoping I can get some merch which I don't have and you can't access easily. We'll give away some as a gift. We'll give away some on the in the comments as well. But yeah, shopping goal hai, and hopefully I can find that Shenron ka statue. Okay, so this is Mandarake. It's a series of thrift shops that are anime themed all around Tokyo. मैंने जो Shibuya वाला है वो काफ़ी prominently focus किया था उस पे in my Pokemon 151 challenge वाला video from like a year and a half ago. But this one is better known for figurines and manga. So I'm hoping that the volume of Shonen Jump we're searching for is inside here. So let's go in and take a look. Just look at how many people are walking up and down also. Okay, so there's just like a giant section of Shonen Jump here. It's just ridiculous. From all eras. बहुत ज़्यादा सही है. Okay, let's start searching. Okay, awesome. So यहाँ पे सब used figurines है. And I have found a very decent Shenron over here. Price भी अच्छा है. I think I'm gonna check out a couple of more stores, but if I don't find anything else I like, I'm gonna get this. It's from the OG Dragon Ball this scene. अगर किसी को याद है तो maybe if I can find like 7 small Dragon Balls, I can keep it in the center part. But yeah, इससे थोड़ा छोटा लग रहा है, but it's not actually that small. It's about मेरा हाथ के साइज का है, so not bad. Oh, beautiful यार, ये देखो. Unfortunately ये 30,000 रुपये है और मैं पागल नहीं हूँ, but इससे भी क्रेजी वाला है ये. The other, this is the same one for triple the price. I don't know why this is triple this, but whatever. And अगर तुम यहाँ देखोगे तो 88,000 है, but fuck me, that's beautiful. Look at this man. 50,000 का है, but wow. कभी अगर खुद का घर बड़ा वाला लिए मैंने जहाँ पे जगह ही जगह है ना, I will come back for this one. This is the most beautiful Shenron statue I've ever seen. Wow. This is also a store I really like for figurines. So थोड़ा रात होने को आया है अभी because I spent a ton of time buying Pokemon cards. But I remember this store last time भी अच्छा था इनके पास selection. I'm hoping they have a Shenron here right now. Let's check it out. Finally, we have found Shenron. A good one that too. थोड़ा folded in approximately ये height का आता है वो, and it stands fully up with the Dragon Balls. I like the other one also. This is double the price of this one. ये भी काफ़ी cool था कि नीचे देख रहा हो, but I just wanted one that's like a little thinner but taller. So I got this one. I also got this for a friend of mine. It's a pen holder, Gear 5 का. I think उसको अच्छा लगेगा वो. So yeah, Shenron done after 2 visits. Finally a good affordable Shenron. Okay, so we are outside Mandarake, which is in their own words the biggest anime manga shop of Japan. And यहाँ पे we went to the Akihabara one already, but this is the one in Shibuya, which is the super famous one. इसका entrance ही इतना ज़्यादा cool है ना. Just look at. Move behind so you can get a look. All right. So let's go down. And this is our last day in Tokyo for this trip. काफी cyberpunk entrance है इसका. So let's make it count. कुछ ऐसे चीजें देखते हैं जो कोई और शॉप में नहीं मिलेगी. Manga volumes on the wall. Unfortunately ये clearly AI से बनाया है. बहुत sad scenes चल रहे हैं. But anyways, we are in. And I will see you guys in a bit. So these are all Shonen Jump, where a very popular manga debuted. So for example, ये वाला My Hero Academia का पहला volume है. This is the magazine where it came out first. So it's 15,000 का आ रहा है वो. Demon Slayer वाला है ये. If I'm not wrong, yeah, 7,000 rupees. Not bad. Honestly, if you're a big Demon Slayer fan, this is not a bad deal. मैं बस इतने बुक्स कलेक्ट नहीं करता हूँ, तो I collect Shonen Jump volumes. Like मैं अगर जापान आया तो मैं वो हफ्ते का कलेक्ट करता हूँ. जो भी हफ्ते हूँ मैं वो उठा के लेके आता हूँ. But I don't want to spend 15-20 grand on this. अभी एक दिन कर लूँगा मैं अगर बहुत बड़ा बुक शेल्फ बना गया ना. This is actually very cool. This will only go up in price though. $7,000 for Demon Slayer का debut is honestly not bad given how popular it's gotten. But yeah, that's very cool. इससे भी पुराने वाले तो है. Hunter है यार पीछे. Look at that one. If I'm not wrong, that. No, that's not Hunter. That's not Hunter का debut. वो 2002 है. Hunter इसके पहले आया था. So that's not Hunter का debut, but still very cool. Yu Yu Hakusho. That's insane. 1991. And some of these actually go like way back. ये तो 2025 के है. Also, in regards to the Pikachu wala cover, I am not searching for that now. I'll tell you in a bit why, but I'll tell you why at the end of the video. But अब वो ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसका solution मिल चुका है हमें. So if I'm going to pick up something, I'd rather pick up a cheap volume that's super old, जो मुझे इंडिया में नहीं मिलेगा. Because storage भी बहुत कम है मेरे पास, and these, as you can see, these books are really heavy. Look at this one, Naruto Shippuden, 2014 का है ये. So many old ones यार. ये देखो yu-gi-oh है इसमें तो. Damn. So I'm going to go through this. I don't know if I'll buy anything, but at least go through 2007 है. Sorry, ये 14 नहीं है. Look at that. So I'm going to go through this and see if there's something I like. Okay, so I'm in a restaurant in Shibuya. We just exited Mandarake, and मैंने जो खरीदा है ना वहाँ से, it's the perfect ending to this video about anime and gaming, because I'll show you the cool one and then I'll show you the much cooler one. This is Shonen Jump from 20, if I'm not wrong, it's 2020 volume 24. लग रहा normal है, right? 2020 का है. What's special about this is the volume with the last chapter of Demon Slayer. So Demon Slayer ended in this one. And ये थोड़ा rare है, but ये मिल जाता है. The second thing I got is this. It's Shonen Jump from 2014, and it has the final chapter of Naruto. देखो अभी मुझे I personally have grown to like One Piece more than Naruto, and I also think Naruto काफ़ी flawed show है, Boruto तो अजीब ही है, but Naruto has not got me into anime, so I will always be grateful to that, to get the final chapter of Naruto. एक ही था ये पूरे शॉप में, and they had misplaced it. Luckily I managed to find it because, and I'm pretty sure the pricing on this was off because it should have been much more expensive. But yes, Naruto का final chapter. And now with that and all the anime gaming shopping we've done, I will see you back in India.
Okay, so now we're back in India. Let's go through everything we got. ये मैंने खरीदा at a bookshop. It's in Japanese, but it's my favorite volume of the Naruto Shippuden, like Naruto manga. It's the one where he fights Pain, और Minato का पहला appearance है वो proper. This is the Persona sticker sheet. This is a Pokemon magazine I got. I was in Japan when ZA was coming out, so I haven't opened it yet. This is the Studio Ghibli ka Boy and the Heron art book that I showed you in the video earlier. And then obviously the manga. This is the last chapter of Demon Slayer. This is the last chapter of Naruto Shippuden. ये actually काफ़ी valuable है. Obviously we have the Shenron का figurine here, which we'll open in a bit. But most importantly, we found the manga I was looking for. Look at this. बहुत ही सही है ये. And let me just open it up so you can see what's special about this. So obviously you have custom art of, so basically जैसे this is Oda drawing Pikachu, the author of One Piece. तो ये Sakamoto Days के author ने Chikorita draw किया. As far as I understand, they got to pick the Pokemon they wanted. So that's also pretty cool. Then we have this extended art as well, showing other authors with their favorite Pokemon. And obviously there's a very cool sticker sheet here also. Let me just get to that. Here we are. ये बहुत सही है. You get a custom sticker sheet, which I'm going to keep just the way it is. And there's also a vinyl sticker sheet for One Piece Day. And yeah, बाकी तो normally, there's more right here. Oh, there's more Pokemon collabs for the other manga as well. One of my favorite manga, Kagurabachi. इसका anime आने वाला है, तब सब फटने वाले हैं. But yeah, that's super nice. I don't think I'll ever actually end up using the stickers. I'll probably keep the packaging mint as is. But that's nice. And now, Shenron ka figurine. Okay, let's open this up and show you what it looks like assembled. And there it is. It's come out very nicely. Detail भी बहुत अच्छा है इसमें. And ये वाले figurines इंडिया में मिलते नहीं हैं. You get a lot of human like जो ऐसे Goku, Vegeta ये हो गए, उनके मिल जाएंगे figurines because they're easier to replicate. But making something with such an intricate design
usually you have to buy the original product. Dragon Balls bhi hai, and they have their patterns on it. I don't know if you can see. I think that's a 5-star one. But yeah, overall a very gorgeous figure. And I think I would say this trip was a big success.